Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today I have this Mercedes A-Class. It's a A180. It's a A180 2018. So I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. Okay. You see the lever here, the black lever here, right? If you push it down like that, in the same time you push the key blade out. See here, see, this is the key blade. Yeah, so if you turn around, there's a catch there. If you just push it in like that, yeah, see, the cover will pop out. Yeah, here's the CR2025 battery. And okay, then you just do that, it will come out. Okay, CR2032 battery. Okay, when you put it in, you put in like that. This side go in first. Okay, press it down. Okay, and then this end go in first. Yeah, and just press it down, and then put the key blade on again. That's it. It's very simple. This is a Mercedes A-Class A180, 2018 Mercedes. Thank you for watching.